Department of Teachers, Arian May Pinaco. Let's give her a round of applause, please.
Supervisor ng distrito, Ninang Teresita C. Abacla. Ma'am, at sa inyong lahat, magandang umaga po. Ngayong araw nito ay pinatutupin upang ipagpiliin ang tagumpay at kaulayak na nangyayang mag-aaral. Ang okasyon nito ay hindi lamang isang pagtatapos ng isang magsasala ng bawat malakay ng aming buhay. Sa aming mga magulang, salamat ay yung walang sawang suporta at pagmamahal ay po ang nagbigay sa amin na lakas, inspirasyon upang marating ng tagumpay nito. Sa aming guro, inyong si Siten Galaldi, salamat sa inyong dedikasyon at pagmamalasakit sa pagkatulong at pagbabago ng mga mag-aral. Kapag po mag-aral, ay po ang bida sa araw na ito. Ang araw na ito ay tunay na siya, masasalamat at pagpasasalamat. Maraming salamat po.
By virtue of authority vested upon me as kindergarten advisor, I have the honor to present to you 21 boys and 22 girls of a total of 43 candidates for completion of Marciano Quinto Elementary School for the school year 2023-2024. Therefore, they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements prescribed by the Bureau of Elementary Department of Education. May I request Mr. Roland Ogapas, Head Teacher 2, our school head, to certify the eligibility for the completion. Sir.
By virtue listed in me as the duly representative of our school's division superintendent, Dr. Ruth Anastacio, PhD, C-5 of the Department of Education, Division of Sarangani, and having been presented and duly certified by your class advisor, Ma'am Susit M. Gagliardi, that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements of kindergarten curriculum as prescribed by the Department of Education. I now confirm you kindergarten completers of Marciano Quinto Elementary School for the school year 2023-2024. You are now eligible to receive your certificate of completion. Congratulations.